Here we are back again for yet another month of our net worth update. Today we're going to tell you all about September of 2023 and see how we ended up with all those market ups and downs. Stick around and we'll let you know.
Hello and welcome back. We are excited, but not so much. You might have seen from even though I'm still thinking about what is gonna be the thumbnail. If you are starting a YouTube channel now, this is wrong. You have to think about the thumbnail before you record the video. We are not doing that, but
we do everything backwards, guys.
Yeah, exactly. Don't do what? I don't know.
Don't do what we do.
Here's what you need to do. Maybe we do need to click on the like button if you like this video so far. If not, wait until the end of the video because we hope that you like the video because today we are going to be sharing with you the results from our net worth calculation. Can I tell you right away? It's down.
I think everybody might be down.
Yeah, everyone knows that it is down. And we told you that. We told you a few months ago if you are subscribed to our channel. The reason that I'm saying this is because I just got an email from our friend Sarah saying, Kristen told me that it's going to be down, and that's exactly what happened. Guess what? It is what it is. We can't change anything other than being in control of our financial journey. So let's talk about assets. We're going to talk about liabilities and sum everything out so we can see our net worth calculation.
So this is just a really quick snapshot, guys, to make sure that we're still on track because in 170 days, we are planning on reaching financial independence. So we're going to get a lot more into that and why we've chosen 170 days and that date and everything down the road, but we are on our way. It's coming fast. So the very first thing we always talk about is our assets, and for the most part, that real estate asset that we talk about is not changing. We are currently still sitting at $1,110,000. That includes the house here in Toronto based on current real estate prices, as well as our condo in Brazil.
Yeah, the second asset that we have, and I'm sorry, my nose is scratchy. So the second asset that we have is Christine's pension. We keep the same number, $34,054.
Yeah, I think we're going to have to change that one because I don't think we're going to keep it as a yearly amount coming in. I really feel like we are going to start looking more seriously at commuting that pension. So in November, we're going to have the new number for that pension, and I think we'll update our net worth statement at that point.
Yeah, if not November, December, and again, start 2024. So many changes that we are thinking about in sharing our financial independence journey with you guys. So stay tuned.
Next asset is our investment category. This includes all of our investments with the exception of our one margin account called the Smith Maneuver account that Jean will tell you about in a second. So our investments include the corporate margin account, all of our RRSPs and TFSAs. Those came out to $500,387.
Yeah, if we look at the other number, which is the Smith Maneuver, basically all the investments that we have on dividend-paying stocks in Canada specifically, the reason for that is the dividend, the tax advantage that we have. We suffer quite a lot. I mean,
this one went down hard.
This one went down pretty hard. We haven't sold anything. We actually bought a few more stocks along the way, which is always what we plan to do. We ended the month with $156,412.
Yeah, so adding all of that up, our assets for the month of September came out to $1,800,853.
Yes, assets were good. I like round numbers, 180. It's like 1-800. It's like when we have to call somebody. Let's talk about liabilities. And we speak about liability, we have only one. The only liability that we have is this house that we are here in Toronto, and we ended the month with $748,892.
Yeah. Yeah. So taking all of those numbers into account, we're going to take $1,800,853, subtract the $748,892, and the net worth for September of 2023 comes out to $1,056,000. $51,961.
Yes.
Still over $1 million.
Still over $1 million. That's, I wasn't sure, to be honest with you, when we were kind of going through September. I thought that those numbers are gonna go down, and as a result, it will be below 1 million, which it was not the case. As we do record this video in mid-October, actually, it's definitely mid-October. I don't think that it is gonna go down. It's quite the opposite. It's the net worth, and the dividends that you have there are kind of not only the dividends, our portfolio as well is going up, which is what we expected. But usually that's what happens from our experience over the last years investing. After the summer, September, October, the markets, they usually go down until they start kind of rebuilding that again.
Yeah,
right?
and there's been a lot of different world events, guys, that really do play into and affect a lot of our investments. So we just got to stay the course, believe in our investment philosophy, and just keep going.
Yeah. Let's talk about our financial summary for September 2023.
Yeah, and if anybody's interested in the spreadsheet that we currently use to track our net worth, that somebody here has spent a lot of time designing, you can download it for free. Jean will put the link down below. Feel free, use it. If you have any suggestions, let us know. If you have any issues, let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you out.
100%.
So the first thing that we're going to take a look at is our assets. Our assets, which are mostly our investments, decreased by 3% month over month.
Actually month over month. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So from August to September, they went down 3%.
The same with the liabilities. They basically remained flat, meaning that we just paid what we had to pay for the month. So it's like 0.000 something. So flat liabilities.
Yep. And overall, the net worth actually reduced by 5%. And I think probably one of the biggest reasons why we are still over $1 million is because we continued to add that new capital into our investments, which kind of helped keep them above that $1 million threshold. Yeah.
And it goes back to diversification, right? This is really important. And we keep saying the same thing. It's just like it sounds like a break record, but this is actually the case. You have to diversify your investments, and that's what we do. We do have a big capital invested on dividend-paying stocks, but that's not the only thing that we have in our portfolio. So keep that in mind as well.
Yeah, and I think that's what we're really trying to focus on a bit more now moving forward too, because we sort of have our dividend portfolio right in a really good spot for what we're looking to do with our financial independence dream moving forward. So now, rather than put money into those individual stocks that could be more heavily influenced by market fluctuations and different world events, we're really now starting to try and build up some of our total market ETF funds and stuff, right? For growth down the road.
And it's not the case that we are starting now. We have been doing every single month that we can, right? In fact, one of the main ones that we have is XAW.to, which is all the companies outside Canada, right? So it's an ETF. And since when we are in 2023, 2022, when we started kind of doing this, I'm going to put a video up here on your screen where at the end of 2022, we compared how did we do over the last 12 months.
With XAW.
With XAW.
Yeah, in his TFSA, we did like a little bit of a challenge, and we've continued that this year. So it'll be interesting in January again to see how that did.
Yeah, 100%. So what else do we need to do? So the net worth, it's still up, as Christine mentioned before, over 1 million. Even though with this reduction of 5%, we are over $1 million. This is the fourth time in a row. Actually, the last 4 months, the fourth time in a row, exactly. That's amazing.
And I mean, hey, we can't be really upset because year over year, our net worth has grown by 22%. So last September was a really rough one, guys. I think we all remember that one. But year over year, that net worth has actually grown by 22%.
Yeah, and if you see our reactions over the last 4 months, there's a playlist every single month we share with you our net worth. Go and take a look on the previous months and see how we were reacting at those events, especially last year.
Yeah, and if you look back again, taking into account all the previous information that we have to go on, overall, month over month, our net worth is still, in fact, growing at a rate of about 1.6% a month.
On average,
which,
right? Yeah.
Hey, can't complain about that.
Okay. You know what is the secret? You're gonna tell you the secret. You have to keep investing, you have to make money, you have to save money, and you have to invest. That's basically what we do every single month.
As little as you think it might be, keep putting that into your investments. Like, it doesn't matter if it's $20, $200, or $2,000. Just keep putting it in as much as you possibly can. Times are tough, we get it. But now is really the time that you're going to see the difference come in your investments if you can get the money in there now when things are a bit down.
100%.
Yeah.
100%. What else? Oh, the goal is you are supposed to, I don't think that you're going to reach this goal of $1,300,000 by the end of 2024. However,
depends on the pension, guys. If the pension comes into play, we might have changed the goal.
That's a good point, but I don't think it is going to happen this year.
Yeah, we might save that till the new year.
Yeah, we have to save until 2024. But as of today, we are at 80% of the goal of $1.3 million.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Anything else? What is our strategy? I just said.
Well, you just talked about it, right? And so this is it, guys. Again, net worth is only one of those things that we use just to make sure we're still on track with where we're going. It's simple, really. I mean, spend less than you make is the biggest thing. And I think right now everybody's kind of struggling to do that with the way that prices are going and the cost of living and everything. But again, do what you can and save as much as possible.
Yeah. Okie dokie. Well, we hope that you're well. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like and sharing this video so many people can follow our journey to financial independence. Even if you don't want to restart and retire early or relax early, as we usually say. Be in control of your finances. That's the main thing that you can do, not only to yourself, to your family, and all anyone around you. Right?
Yeah. And like we said before, we have 170 days left until we reach our moment, our date, if you will. So we're going to probably, let us know if you're interested, but we're really going to start talking a little bit more about how we're preparing for that date and what we're doing to ensure that we're going to be successful moving forward.
Maybe that might be a good video for next week, because we were walking yesterday. We went for a walk and
stress ball here.
I was stressed. I actually have a spreadsheet that we wanted to share with you, which is like the list of the 100 things that I need to do prior to retirement. So I was completing this spreadsheet. We have to do this, we have to do this, we have to do this. I have the spreadsheet open right there on my screen. Every time that I think about something, I go and I add to the spreadsheet.
Yeah.
So I hope that is going to be useful for you as well.
Yeah. So until next week, we hope you guys have a wonderful weekend and a great week, and we'll see you soon.
Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.